How to remix on Instagram, now available for all the videos. As of 2024, Instagram allows users to remix any public video on the platform, not just Reels. This feature is similar to TikTok's duet features and offers a fun way to collaborate, react, and add your spin to videos. In order to do so, first of all, you have to find a video to remix. You can go to Reels and swipe through different videos. You can choose different channels such as explore page or the reels page. Then tap on the three dots next to the video and you will see the option remix. Tap on it and it will load the remix this video option. You will see the original video appear on one side of the screen. Now you have the option to edit it. You can edit this video in any type you like and then record a new video alongside the original one as well. And once you have made any changes into the video, you can adjust the layout and post your remix. You can add captions, hashtags, and tag people as well. When you're ready, tap share to post your remix. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.